Hey guys, welcome back to Login Joints. Today in this video, you will learn how to fix Messenger app not opening. So first of all, we need to make sure that your Messenger application is up to date. For that, open your Play Store and search for Messenger. If your application is not updated like mine, then you need to update this. Tap Update. And once you have updated, you will see open sign right here instead of update. So moving on to second step, open your settings application. Go in apps. Here let's open our Messenger. Go to storage and clear the cache. You also need to clear the data. And now once you have done that, go back, check for permissions and allow these. If your Messenger is still not working, then what you need to do is go to Play Store, uninstall your application and again reinstall. I think that will help solve your problem. Thank you for watching till the end and do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful contents.